Guys, we are here with our McDonald's that we're having tonight. Let us see. We are going to be having a McChicken. So delicious. Bam. Our McChicken. But we are not going to have this. We are going to do it up our way. Stay tuned. All right, so what I have here is some fresh chicken burgers. I did want to get the ground chicken. They did not have that in stock. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these burgers and break them down and season it ourselves. All right, you guys, this was 4 chicken burgers that I have smashed down together. We're going to get this seasoned up. A little garlic. A little bit of pepper. Slap your mama. And onion. Let me see if I have some mustard. All right, then we're going to go in with the squeeze of mustard. We're going to get this all mixed up, and we're going to start to patty it. I have some plain breadcrumbs with some black pepper that we're going to get mixed up. We're going to go in with mixing and pattying the burgers. So what I'm going to do is, so that the patties don't stick, I'm going to spray my hands with some cooking spray. And we're going to go in and get these patties formed up. Alright, so we got our patties, our chicken patties patty back up. Alright, you guys, this is our patties. We're doing our McDonald's McChicken. Let's get them seasoned. We got our breadcrumbs with the pepper. We're going to go in. Ooh, let me spray my hand again. Alright, we're going to come with our patty. We're going to get it right into the breadcrumb. Alright, we got it pattied up just like that. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of them. Alright, you guys, now that we have our patties breaded up, we're going to hit it with some more black pepper. We're going to get these into the air fryer. We're going to hit them with some cooking spray. And we're going to put them into the air fryer about we're going to go into the air fryer. The first side up, I'm going to go about 10 minutes. And then I'm going to come back and check it. Alright, you guys, we are back. We put the chicken patties in the air fryer on the chicken setting, which was 360. 10 minutes on the first side, 7 on the second. This is how it came out. And we are going to make our McChicken.